Hello, good morning, student. Okay, before we start to study, the first I would like to say Om Swastiastu. Okay, back to me. I think all of you still remember me. My name is Iputu Swardika. Okay, we back to English class today. Okay, today we have a new material, but not new. I just remind about this material. The name is, the title of the material is personal letter. Okay. What is personal letter? It's very easy, not very difficult. Personal and letter. Maybe Cahyani. Dewa Ayu Purnama. Yes, Dewa Ayu.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, morning. What is personal letter?
In my opinion, personal letter is a letter which is written to someone you know.
Okay. Okay. Yes, thank you for your definition of personal letter. Yeah. But here I just want to repair. Yes, not written, tapi written. Not written. Written.
Okay.
Yes. Without W.
Okay.
Ya, tanpa W kalau bacanya. Written.
Yeah.
Writing.
Okay.
Can you repeat one more, Ayu Purnama?
Okay. Personal letter is a letter which is written to someone you know.
Okay. A letter that you write to someone that you know. Okay, thank you. Okay, personal letter. Personal is private, pribadi. A letter is surat. Jadi personal letter adalah surat pribadi. Yes. Okay, here I give you the definition of the personal letter. The first one, same as that you say, Purnama. Personal letter is a type of letter. A type of letter. Sejenis surat. That you use concern personal letter matters. Artinya apa? Concern personal matters. Concern or contain. Berisi. Ya, berisi personal matters. Matters is apa? Apa matters? Urusan. Ya. Urusan pribadi. Ya, artinya sejenis surat yang berisi apa? Urusan pribadi. And it is sent from, yang dikirim and it's sent from, yang dikirim dari one individual to another, such as family members, relatives and friends, and love letters. Oke. Artinya apa? Dikirim dari seseorang kepada orang lain, seperti family members, anggota keluarga, relatives, kerabat, dan teman, and iya, mungkin orang yang kalian cintai. Ya. Okay, this is the first definition. Okay. Okay. Next, this second definition about a personal letter is letters you write to people you have already known. Nah, di sini sama dengan yang dikatakan oleh Purnama tadi, ya. Surat yang ditulis untuk orang-orang yang have already known, yang sudah diketahui atau dikenal, yang sudah dikenal well, dengan baik atau familiar. Familiar itu tidak asing lagi, ya. Seperti family members, friends, classmates, or pen friends. It's the definition. Okay. This material is not too difficult. Ya, intinya di sini adalah surat pribadi itu adalah surat yang berisikan urusan-urusan pribadi, ya, yang ditulis untuk orang yang sudah kita kenal dengan baik, ya, known well or been familiar, atau tidak asing lagi. Mungkin if you want to write a personal letter to your family that stay in the other place, for example, yeah. But I'm so sorry. I think today personal letter is not what is that? Is not always used by people, yeah, because the technology today is very, very good. Ya, kita tidak hanya bisa menulis saja sekarang. Ya, jika kita ingin memberi kabar, kita tidak hanya menulis seperti zaman dulu. Ya, sekarang sudah ada video call. Video call tanpa lihat tulisan, kita bisa lihat wajah. We can communicate with someone, ya kan? Langsung. Nah, seperti itulah the change of technology today. Okay. Next. Kinds of personal letter. Kinds. What is kinds? Jenis. Ya, jenis. Thank you, Angreni. Ya, jenis. Jenis dari surat pribadi. There are some of kinds personal letter. Ada family letter, surat surat keluarga. Ada farewell letter. Farewell, surat apa ini? Siapa yang tahu? Who knows? Farewell letter. Surat perpisahan. Iya, farewell itu artinya perpisahan. Kemudian ada congratulation letter. Surat apa? Selamat. Ya, mengucapkan selamat. If you want to congratulate someone like a birthday party, like a graduation, the kinds is congratulation letter. Kemudian ada fan mails. Fan mails is fan. Fan. If you have a favorite artist, for example, yeah. If you have a favorite artist, you want to send a letter to artist, the kind of the letter we call fan mails atau surat penggemar, fans. Kalau banyak fans, ya. Ini mungkin kamu punya idola, kamu bisa mengirimkan apa yang kamu harapkan kepada idolamu, itu disebut dengan fan mails. Kemudian ada thank you letter, surat berterima kasih. And the last is love letter. Oke. Apakah masih ada di sini yang menggunakan love letter? Sekarang kan udah canggih teknologi, nggak pakai surat lagi. Ya, udah lewat HP aja semua dah lengkap di sana. But if you ask to your parents at home, your mother, your father, I think all of them, if want to communicate in the past time, they use love letter to her or his peer. Ya, dengan pasangannya mungkin ketika bapak dan ibu kalian masih berpacaran, ya mungkin zamannya belum ada HP, ya mereka pasti menggunakan love letter, ya. Tapi kalau sekarang sudah mulai tersisihkan, sudah langsung pakai HP, bisa video call. Oke, next. Here is form of a personal letter. Form bentuk, ya, bentuk dari surat pribadi atau the generic structure-nya. Struktur umum, if you want to make a personal letter, there are some parts, ada beberapa bagian, ya jika mau membuat personal letter nanti. The first one is date. Date, what is date? Tanggal, ya tanggal. The date when you write the letter. Ya, tanggal ketika kamu membuat surat. Ya, you write the date on the top. Okay. Without head letter, tanpa kepala surat. Kalau if you want to make a formal letter, surat resmi itu ada head letternya atau ada kepala suratnya di atas. Biasanya kop suratnya. Tapi kalau personal letter without head letter, langsung saja ke date, tanggalnya. Nanti I give you the example. After that, there is name, address, city, and zip code. Ya, name. Whose name? Namanya siapa? The sender or the recipient? After name. Nama siapa di sini? Nama siapa? Come on, name, address, city, and zip code. Nama si recipient, ya, nama si penerima, alamat si penerima, kota si penerima, and zip code atau kode apa? Kode pos atau kode wilayah, ya. After that there is salutation and name of recipient, ya. Salutation setelah nama, alamat, kode pos, kota, ada salutation. Salutation same as, sama dengan apa salutation itu? Ada yang tahu? Salutation itu salam pembuka, ya, salam pembuka. For example, like dear, my darling, ya. And name of recipient, nama dari si penerima. Ya, maybe if you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend, ya, her or his name is Putra atau Putri, ya, my darling Putri, my darling Putra, for example, ya. But at the end of the name of recipient, you have to write comma. Okay, comma after the name of the recipient. Okay, next I will show you the example. After that there is introduction. Introduction is pembukaan, ya. Ada body. This body. Ya, body itu tubuh. Ya, atau bagian, atau biasanya body ini ada what do you want to say in the letter? The main point of the personal letter. Ya, you give the content. Kamu berikan isi apa yang kamu inginkan. The message, pesan yang ingin kamu sampaikan kepada si penerima. You write on the body. Okay. After that ada closure. Closure is close. Ya, closure show that the letter will be ended. Ya, artinya apa? The letter will be ended. Surat akan diakhiri. Berarti dia bagian penutup. Ya, berarti surat itu akan diakhiri. Ya, biasanya berisi apa? Nah, berisi ya, thank you for your attention. I will wait for your reply. Ya, I hope you in the good condition there. For example, ya. After that ada complimentary clause. Complimentary clause, what is it? Close, penutup. Complimentary, it same as a salutation, but here is at the end of the letter. Salutation, complimentary. Salutation is salam pembuka. Complimentary close, salam penutup. Yes. After that, the last is signature. Signature is apa? Tanda tangan. Ya. Signature. Okay. You understand about form of personal letter atau generic structure-nya atau bagian-bagian dari surat pribadi? From the date, name, address, salutation, introduction, body, closure, complimentary clause, and signature. Okay. You can ask later. Okay, after I give you the example of personal letter. Okay. Personal letter example. October 10th, 2013. What kinds of this part? Bagian apanya nih? Apa? Yes, did. Okay. From Anissa Trimahayanti, Jalan Kenanga, Gang Asri 2, number 4, Denpasar 29055. This part is bagian apa ini? Yang tadi ada name, ada yes name, do you? Thank you. Name, address, city, and zip code. Ada name, address, city, zip code. Okay. Nah, and the next, my dearest friend Lisa. Nah, di sini bagian apanya ini? Salutation. Okay, thank you. Dewa Ayu Purnama again. Yeah. My dearest friend Lisa is salutation. After this is my dearest. This is salutation. You can see the cursor. Yeah. This is the salutation, and after that, Lisa. Lisa is the name of the recipient. Yeah. At the end, you give comma. Okay, comma. Yeah, you give comma after you write the name of the recipient. And this one, what is it? The part is apa ini? Is it body? Who knows? Body or closure or signature? Introduction atau pembukaan, perkenalan, ya. usually we start like this expression, like how are you? Yeah. What are you doing there? Ya, seperti itu. Ya, biasanya pembukaannya itu menanyakan kabar, menanyakan activity, ya, aktivitas yang dilakukan. Nah, kemudian ada, this one. During months, I attempt to adapt myself to my new class in Mahasaraswati University, and blah, 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 blah. What kinds of the parts? This is the main part of the personal letter. Bagian pentingnya. Disebut dengan apa ini? Body. Ya, body. After that, ada the last paragraph or the last sentence. This part is not complementary, but a closer, ya, closer atau penutup. After closer, we have your old friend, ya, lawannya salutation tadi, your old friend, salam penutup, ya. Okay. After that, there is the name of the sender, nama si pengirim, ya, nama si pengirim. Ya, di sini biasanya at the top of name of sender, ya, kita biasanya tulis tanda tangan atau signature, ya, here, ya, biasanya dilampirkan tanda tangan. Oke, ini adalah contoh dari surat pribadi. But now I would like some of you to read this example. Ya, contoh ini. Who wants to read? Ya. Who wants to read? I would like some of you to read this letter. Mungkin ada dari kalian yang mau membacakan. Cukup baca saja dulu. I would like to listen to your voice. Ada yang mau baca? Oke. Niwayan Angreni. Yes, your name, Wayan Angreni?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Can you read? Can you help me to read the letter?
Okay. Please, langsung dari
Yes,
tanggal.
you can start from the date. Yeah, date.
Okay, October 10 to 2013.
Yes.
From Satri Mahayanti. Jalan Kenangan, Gang Asri, 2 number 4 Denpasar 29055.
Yes.
My dearest friend Lisa. Lisa, how are you? I hope that you and your family. How about you study? You friend ever. You always understand me, talk other one. When you decide to study unconfused
In Java.
And sad because a person who always next to we would leave me. Remember, you said to me that I would be okay and our friendship will be still good.
Okay, yes, stop. Thank you, Angreni. Okay. Yeah, bergilir ya. I would like to give the other change to the other friend, your friend. Okay. Okay, thank you. Lisa, October 10, 2013 from Anissa Trimahayanti. Mungkin di layar anak-anak tulisannya sedikit kurang jelas ya. Ya, I'm so sorry. Ya, mungkin tampilannya PowerPoint saya yang kurang pas ini. Ya, yang jelas, thank you for your reading. I continue again From Anissa Trimahayanti, Jalan Kenanga, Gang Asri 2, Namovo, Denpasar, 29055. My dearest friend Lisa. Lisa, how are you? I hope that you and your family are all right. How about your study? Yeah, you are my best friend ever. You always understand me through other ones. When you decided to study in Java, I was so confused and sad because a person who always next to me would leave me. I remember the last time we met, you said to me that it would be okay and our friendship would be still good. Okay. It is, I read the part of introduction. Okay, and now continue to the body. Who wants to read the body of the letter? Selain Angreni, selain Ayu Purnama, mungkin yang lain. Cukup baca dulu. Oke, ada Bella Anadiah ya. Bella Anadiah.
Oh, lanjutin yang di bawahnya itu ya, Pak.
Yes, the body.
During month,
Yes.
I attempted to adapt myself to my new class in Mahasaraswati University. Yeah, finally I could. I found a girl who could support me as well as you. Her name is Dahlia. I felt that I was happy to be her friend because she reminded me with the girl next to me last 3 months in senior high school. Yes, she is as the best friend of mine as you. Of course, I will introduce her to you, even though we are not many miles away. I do believe the time when we can get together will come soon. This doesn't it? You should reply yes. So that Dahlia, you and me will be three best girls ever in the world. The sooner, the better. I miss you so much. I'm always longing to see you. Moreover, I want to share anything that usually I tell to you like when we were in senior high school.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Bella. Yes, Kadek Bella. Thank you for your reading. Yeah. I only want to revise, ya, revisi, ya, beberapa kata yang mungkin ya perlu diperbaiki sedikit ya, tapi sudah bagus. Ya, like for example, like high, ya, senior high school, not high, but high. Ya, high. Like you raise your hand, high, senior high school. Ya. After that ada as well as you, not as. Apa? As, ya, as well as you. Ya. For example, like I will read the body during. Yes, during months I attempted to adapt myself to my new class in Mahasaraswati University. Yeah, finally I could. I found a girl who could support me as well as you. Her name is Dahlia. I feel that I was happy to be her friend because she reminds me with the girls next to me last 3 months in senior high school. Yes, she's as the best friend of mine as you. Of course, I will introduce her to you, even though we are now many miles away. I do believe the time when we can get together will come soon. Doesn't it? Okay. Doesn't it? You should reply yes, so that Dahlia, you and me will be three best girls ever in the world. The sooner, the better. I miss you so much. I'm always longing to see you. Moreover, I want to share anything that usually I tell to you, like when we were in senior high school. Okay, ya tapi Bella, your reading is good. Okay, study again. Thank you. And after that, the last part is closer. Who wants to read closer? Beside Bella, Purnama, Angreni, siapa yang mau? Baca aja cuma beberapa kata ini. Siapa ini? Cahyani ya? Oke, Cahyani. Oke, please.
Lisa, I do promise to introduce Hendra, the person you admire. So when will you come back? Please reply my letter as soon as you can because I really interested to know about your life here. Your old friend Anissa.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Cahyani, for your reading. Yeah. Okay. Lisa, I do promise to introduce Hendra, the person you admire. So, when will you come back? Please reply my letter as soon as you can, because I'm really interested to know about your life, not here, but there, yeah. I'm interested to know about your life there. Kalau here kan di sini, kalau there di sana. Artinya saya sungguh ingin tahu tentang kehidupanmu di sana, bukan kehidupanmu di sini ya. Oke, salah ketiknya kurang tadi. After that, your old friend Anissa. Oke, ya tadi sudah kalian ada beberapa teman atau beberapa siswa yang sudah membaca, ya cukup bagus. Nanti tinggal ditingkatkan lagi, ya. How to read because the pronunciation in English is different, ya. Kadang-kadang tulisannya B-O-O-K belum tentu dibaca bok. Ya. Bisa dibaca book, dari mana datang U-nya. Nah, itulah uniknya English ya. Okay. Do you understand what is the content of this example of the letter? Do you understand? Ada yang paham isinya? Mungkin waktunya sudah lewat sedikit ya, tapi kita bahas lagi sebentar aja. Okay, who is the sender of this letter? The sender of this letter. Who is the sender? Coba dilihat. Masa sendernya nggak tahu itu? Apa itu sender? Si ya, Angreni si pengirim. Ya. Nah, siapa pengirimnya? Masa nggak ada namanya si pengirim sana? Raise your hand. Selain Wahyu, siapa ini? Angreni lagi? Wahyu, Angreni, dan siapa lagi nih? Ini aja. Ya, biar cepat. Angreni, who is the sender?
The sender is Anissa Trimahayanti.
Iya, ini Anissa Trimahayanti is the sender. Who is the receiver? Recipient?
Recipient is Lisa.
Lisa. Okay, yeah, thank you. And after that, where does Lisa continue her study?
Lisa,
yang lain? Mungkin selain Angreni, mungkin
ya,
biar nggak. Ya, selain Angreni, Where does Lisa continue her study? Where? In United States, in England, atau in Sulawesi, atau di mana? Siapa yang tahu? Saya lihat, oh itu di awal dah ada jawabnya itu. Di mana? Kadek Bella Ana, ya dah. Kadek Bella?
Study in Java.
Studi, ya. Lisa continue her study in Java, ya, melanjutkan atau ketika di sini dah ada ya. When you decided to study in Java, ketika kamu memilih atau menentukan belajar di Java atau di Jawa, ya. Thank you. And after that, who is Anisa's friend that she tell to Lisa? Who is Anisa's friend that she tell to Lisa? Ya, biar cepat. Bella?
Her name is Dahlia.
Iya, her name is Dahlia. Iya. Bagus. And the last question is, what is Anisa's promise to Lisa? The promise of Anisa to Lisa. Ayo, silahkan. Selain Bella? Ada? Ya. Dewayu Purnama?
Pak, maaf tadi kan internetnya nggak nyambung. Pertanyaannya apa, Pak?
Oh, yeah. I will repeat the question. Okay, I asked to Dewayu, yeah.
Okay.
What is Anisa's promise to Lisa? The promise. Anisa's promise to Lisa. What is promise? Sepertinya koneksinya kurang bagus.
Nggak dengar, Pak.
Okay. I will
Ya,
repeat one more. Okay. What is Anisa's promise to Lisa? Anisa's promise. Okay. Can you listen?
Okay. Anissa promised, I do promise to introduce Hendra, the person you admire.
Oke, ya, thank you, ya. Mungkin yang lain koneksinya juga kurang bagus nih ya. Ya, pas, thank you, ya. The promise Anissa to Lisa is to introduce Hendra, the person you admire. Ya, memperkenalkan si Hendra. Oke, itu janjinya si Anissa. The next meeting maybe. Okay. The closing, yeah. Thank you. Okay. this is about the material of personal letter. Yeah. Wait a moment. Okay. Now I would like some of you, if you didn't understand about the personal letter, the part of that you want to ask, you can ask to me, like the definition, if you didn't understand, atau apa mungkin kinds-nya, jenis-jenisnya, karena waktu kita sudah lewat ini ya. Oke, ini adalah structure-nya. Review again. Nah, di example yang tadi. Okay, do you have question for this material maybe? Before I close the material. Ada pertanyaan mungkin? Yang bagian mana belum paham? Ada definition, ada kinds, ada form atau structure-nya. Mungkin yang ingin ditanyakan. Atau kalau tidak, ya karena waktu sudah habis ini ya. Kalau tidak, silakan at home you can try, you can practice to make a personal letter. Ya, kamu ya. You can try to write a personal letter to your family, for example, to your boyfriend, to your girlfriend. Ya, mungkin kamu atau if you don't understand, the kinds, you can ask to your parents. You can ask to your parents. I think your parents use personal letter to communicate in the past time. Kalau dulu kan belum ada HP. Pasti berkomunikasinya lewat surat dulu. Silahkan tanya-tanya orang tuanya. Apa aja isinya kira-kira. Jika kamu ingin lebih paham atau ingin punya bayangan tentang surat pribadi. Kalau sekarang mungkin jarang kita gunakan. Silakan nanti di rumah kalian latihan latihan membuat surat nggak usah dikumpul, cukup kalian praktis dan coba dan kirimkan kepada your relatives, kerabat, teman baik atau keluarga atau orang yang kalian sayangi. Silahkan dicoba. Oke. I think it's enough. Cukup? Oke. Before I finish this material, I will close by say Om Santi 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 Om.